A petition advocating for the return of a giant panda, Fu-bao, who was born and raised in South Korea but sent to China, has re-emerged amid ongoing concerns about her welfare in China. The petition, titled, Return Fu-bao to Korea, and submitted appeared on Wednesday on the National Assembly's online petition platform. Having met the initial requirement of 100 consents, it is now awaiting a review to be made public, which would allow everyone to view and sign it. Fu-bao, a female panda born in 2020 to a panda couple on loan from China, was sent to China in April according to the loan agreement between the two countries. She is currently housed at a breeding park within the Shenshuping giant panda base in the Wolong National Nature Reserve, China. This is the second petition regarding Fu-bao, Korea's first naturally bred panda, who has enjoyed immense popularity since her birth. Earlier in April, a Seoul resident suggested through the city government's petition platform that the capital pursue another loan agreement with China to house Fu-bao at the Seoul Grand Park. The city government responded by assuring that the panda would adapt well to the environment in China. However, many local fans remain deeply concerned about Fu-bao's well-being, with some suspecting possible maltreatment in China. Recently, unverified photos on social media showed dark spots around Fu-bao's neck, causing concern among local fans. Some speculated that these marks might be from being chained. On Tuesday, the China Conservation and Research Center for the Giant Panda released videos and photos of Fu-bao on its official social media account to demonstrate the panda's good condition. They announced that Fu-bao will be available for public viewing starting in June.